Hello, everybody. This is David Weber, your COM 105 instructor, and I'm making this video to help you navigate Canvas for this course. Now, if you have any questions during or after this video, please email me or get up with me before or after class, and I'll see if I can answer those questions for you. I'm making some assumptions in this video. First of all, I'm going to assume that you know what Canvas is, you know its basic functions and its basic purpose. I'm assuming that you know basic vocabulary associated with Canvas, and I'm also assuming that you are fully registered to use Canvas and that you have at least one device you can count on that will enable you to interface with Canvas. So based on those assumptions, I'm going to continue. Now, I think the best way to go about doing this is to sort of play out a scenario. So let's imagine that it's Sunday night, August 22nd, 8 o'clock, 8:30, and you're asking yourself, I wonder what's up this week in COM 105. You know, maybe you're asking this about all your courses. But anyway, so you're wondering, well, what's 105 going to be involving this week? So, excuse me, let me put this on screen share and we'll walk through that whole process. Okay, so here we are at the home page for Canvas, because that would be your first move. You'd say to yourself, I wonder what's up with 105 this semester, and you would log into Canvas and go to the COM 105 Canvas page. So here is the home page, and what you're seeing here is a bunch of what are called modules, and this is not the entire set of modules. This is just what's up here at the moment. But that's all we really need. By the way, this is what you would see minus the purple border. Don't worry about what the purple border is. If you are curious, you can certainly ask me. But this is essentially, just ignore the purple border. So, okay, so your first step is you go to the syllabus. And as you know, the syllabus has its own button, and you go to the syllabus and you'd scroll all the way down to week 2 of the semester, because Sunday night, August 22nd, is the beginning of the second week. By the way, the syllabus is on the longish side, not because I want it to be, but because the university has a long list of items that must be in a syllabus. And if it were up to me, the syllabus would be 2 or 3 pages long, but it's not up to me. Okay, so you scroll down here. Here's the tentative schedule. By the way, it's tentative only because, you know, things may change during the semester. I'll give you plenty of warning if that happens. Anyway, so you get to the tentative schedule, and then you get to week 2. And there we have the 2 dates that of the class meetings for week 2, the 24th and 26th. Week 2, of course, starts on Sunday, the 22nd. And you kind of read through this and you get a sense of what's going on. And you're going to say, okay, gosh, the topics we're going to study, there they are. Okay, interesting. Oh, there's 2 readings due. The Tuesday reading has an OTE that's due, and OTE stands for Opportunity to Excel. It's just an alternative term for quiz. For a variety of reasons, I avoid the word quiz and I use OTE, but they mean the same thing. Here's another reading, also due this week, due on Thursday. Apparently there's no OTE for that one. Fair enough. And then there's an assignment that is going to be launched this week, a video self-introduction assignment. Well, that sounds interesting. I wonder what that's going to be about. So now you have a sense of what is going to be going on in week 2 for COM 105. Now, where you go from here is you go to the modules button, and you get back to that page that has all the modules listed, and you go to week 2. And what you do now at this point is open week 2 briefing. And this stuff here mostly kind of summarizes or expresses what you read in the syllabus. It just kind of lays it out in a different look. But you know, you've got 2 reading assignments due. For the Tuesday reading, you must complete an OTE. The video self-introduction assignment is going to be launched. Okay, fair enough, we know that. There's also a green note here, you'll see. The green note just says that between week 10 and week 12, for that 2-week period, that's when the COM 105 team project is going to be happening. And I want you now at the beginning of the semester to start thinking ahead a couple of months. If you have to make a work schedule, if you have to make travel plans, whatever, make sure that you figure out how that will enable you nonetheless to participate fully and enthusiastically and committedly in the team project. And I will be giving you lots more information about that, but I want to call to your attention early in the semester that you need to think ahead now to make sure that you clear the decks weeks 10 through 12. So that's the briefing. And now you know, I've got a reading assignment due. I wonder what that's going to be. So you go back to the modules and you go to the second module here, resources for reading assignments. By the way, first module, course syllabus in PDF form. If for whatever reason you want to look at the syllabus in PDF, there it is. So reading resources for reading assignments. Well, there's two categories here. One is study guides for the reading assignment. Let's do the second category first in a little more detail. You have textbook readings, of course, but you also have readings that are in materials other than the textbook and additional readings not in the textbook. This lists all of those throughout the semester. The first section here in this module is study guides for the reading assignments. And if you click on that, you will see a document about 20 some pages long, and it contains all of the study guides for all of the readings. So you are knowing that a reading is due on the 24th. And so you find Tuesday the 24th, and lo and behold, this tells you what the reading is going to be all about. Now let's look at this briefly. Opportunity to excel must be completed no later than Monday, the 23rd of August. So the opportunity to excel, the reading quiz. Looks like if this is Sunday night, August 22nd, looks like you got about 36 hours to read and then complete the OTE. It's the syllabus. It's not a long, ponderous reading. You've got those prompts that will direct you to the pages and the sections. So you've got about 36 hours to work with to get this done. That's not going to be impossible. It's not even going to be particularly difficult. So you have the study guide here. Here's the prompts. These tell you what to focus on. You're set. That's for the 24th. And then, by the way, also here is the 26th. Remember, we have a reading due on the 26th as well. 2 readings in week 2. This is going to be an article. So you're going to find this article in that other section of the resources for reading assignments. Again, there's prompts. These will focus your attention on certain sections of that article, and it's not a very long article in the first place. So that gets you through the readings. And then the OTE for the Tuesday reading is right there in the week 2 module. Here it is. And you click on that. It's going to go live Monday morning at whenever it's going to be due. It's going to be open. And you're going to finish that by finish that OTE and the reading of the syllabus. You're going to finish that before class starts on Tuesday, August 24th. Also, what else is in these modules? Well, a couple of different things. Lecture resources for this week. So here's the slide deck for Tuesday the 24th. There's going to be the slide deck here for the 26th. It's just not up there yet. You'll remember that in the syllabus and in the week briefing, it said there's an assignment going to be launched this week. It's the video self-introduction assignment. Sure enough, here's the guidelines document for that assignment. Here's the grading rubric. Here's the job aid, an infographic that tells you how to upload the deliverable to Canvas. And the deliverable, the artifact you're going to submit for grade, that's the deliverable. It is a video. And so this is a job aid to help you figure out how to submit that deliverable via Echo 360 in Canvas. So all that is in the week 2 module. And it all starts with the syllabus. It all starts by saying at the beginning of the week, Sunday night, I wonder what's up this week with COM 105. You click to the syllabus, you consume that information, you click to the module page, you find the module for that week, and you work through the information in the module. So that about does it. If you have questions, as I said, you absolutely, I encourage you to ask for information, ask for feedback, and I'll see you the next time I see you.